Hello everyone and welcome to my review of the 1986 Robotech Invid Shock Trooper. As you can see here, this bad boy can whee can do that, and yeah, its maneuverability, it's not that bad. You know, it has these little sections right here where if it wasn't for the gun, you can pretty much move the arm as much as you want, and you can move that. You can pose this part right here, bring it out. That's about the maximum that it can extend. Should be able to hold a G.I. Joe, I guess. I don't know. Or something smaller. The guns can go. Hold on. Let's see here. If you put the arms forward. Guns can go all the way down if you wish. It's kind of an interesting look. I like to have them like that. And as you can notice, the legs, you can make it do the splits. Yeah, that's very good maneuverability for a toy that was made so long ago. You could pretty much go as crazy as you want with the poses. Like, for instance, let's see here. Let's see. If you want to make a crazy pose like that, as long as as long as the arm doesn't decide to slide, that can work. You'll be like, oh, it's in space fighting something. It's very good. I do have the box, but as to where the heck that box is now, I don't know. Now, I found this thing with box and papers at a convention many years ago for a whopping $5. There we go. Little secret compartment. Well, not too secret if you know the show. And the character that's in there, I don't really know what series it's from. I was like, you know what? You fit, so you're going in. As you can see, a little size comparison when I compare the two. Alright. You can see the difference. Fairly tall toy. And let's see, with this arm, let's see if we can oh yeah, there you go. Where do you think you're going, human? I have captured you. You cannot hesitate. You cannot move. You are coming with me. So, you can have a lot of fun with a toy like this. The fact that it's made in China, and you know what? It's really good. Like, for what you can do, for what is posable, you have your options. And it's fairly big, stands out. If you have a whole bunch of G.I. Joes, you can definitely have some fun with this thing. Maybe have it challenge a couple of Transformers. But yeah. One thing though, like, if you try to find this guy on the internet, they ask for ridiculous prices, which is utterly ridiculous, because guess what? No one in their right mind is going to pay those prices. Screw that. You could probably find this guy at a swap meet. If you're lucky, maybe a site like Craigslist or whatever. Just because people think that this thing is rare and they can get away with charging whatever the bloody hell they feel like it, yeah. That only matters if people are willing to pay. All in all, it's a very nice toy. It stands out. If you remember the show, it has some nostalgia to it. There's really not much else to say about this thing other than pew 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 pew.